Whoa, welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So 1437, check if all ones are at least the length k places away. Also given array numbers of 0 and 1s and integer k, return true if all ones are at least k places away from each other, otherwise return false. So that's k equal to 2, right? So right, you see there is 3 or 1, right? And then there distance, the first one, second one is 3, that's 2, right? So it's less or equal to greater or equal to 2, right? So basically they are still okay, right? But k is 2, right? And in this case k is 2, then this is false, right? Because this 1 and 1 only one part. And if k is 0, then definitely everything is true. Okay. So if k is 1, then 0, 1, this is true because the 1 and 1 only differ 1, right? And so this is true. Okay. I think there is a various way to solve this, right? I think there is a various way to solve it. So one idea is that if you that's here, and then you go left and right, right? You go left and right. So every time you see one, and the condition is that the next one, right? The next one here must at least k, right? So the idea is that I can start from here. Let's say this is I plus 1, and then this is this position, and so I can start from I can start from I plus 1, and go to I plus k, and I can check that whether the sum, right, the sum of from I plus 1 to I plus k, right? In order to make this condition correct, that sum I plus 1 to I plus k must be 0, right? Because otherwise that there will be 1 from I plus 1 to I plus k, which violate the criterion, right? So I go left. If I go left and I go from left to right, and each time I see k, each one I see 1, then I go to do these conditions. If this condition is still satisfied for all the array, for all the element, then this is true. If this condition is false for some I, then it will be false. Okay. So it's the same, right? If I see 1, then I go back to some 2 of them, so I will get 0, 0, which is okay. I get 0, 0. And for this one, this condition will fails for this one, right? So I get 1, so this fails. So if k is 0, I return true, right? If then I go from left to right. If I see somebody is 1, then I do sum to left. I do sum the next case elements, right? And in order to make this correct, then this condition must be, let's say, so I from 1 and I from I to k plus 1 must be 0, right? Sorry. So if they are greater than 0, then it must return false. Then if we satisfy our condition, it must return true. So let's submit. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video.